Looking to download and install Lightroom on PC for free? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do so. So first of all, you have to open any browser on your PC, and then on your browser, you have to search for Lightroom PC. Now, it's going to show you these results. In these results, you can also choose to open this link over here. You have to just right click on it and then click open link in new tab. Or you can just come to this official Lightroom link over here and right click on it and then click open link in new tab. I have already opened it over here. If you go to the Adobe Photoshop Lightroom over here, you can see you can just buy it by clicking over here. Just click buy now and then you can just put in your card details and buy it. But you can also use this Lightroom official Adobe link over here. You can just right click on it and then click open link in new tab, and it's going to bring you to this page. This application downloads all of your Lightroom content to your desktop computer. Just choose your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'm going with Windows. You can also do this for Mac operating system. I'm just going to click Windows over here, and then you have to just choose the folder that you want to save the download in. I'm going to choose the downloads folder over here and then click save. Now it's just going to start the downloading process over here. Once the downloading process is completed, I'll tell you how to install Lightroom. Now, once downloaded, you simply have to head over through the folder that you saved your download in, and here you'll find the downloaded folder. Just right click on it, and then you have to click extract all, and then click extract again in the pop-up. Now it's just going to extract all the files from the folder that you saved or downloaded. You can see it's just completing the process, and once the process is complete, I'm going to tell you what to do next. So here you can see that now the files have been extracted. You simply have to just double click this folder over here and it's going to bring you to this page. And now you have to just double click this setup icon over here, and then it's just going to run the setup for you. And now you can see you have to just sign in with your Adobe ID over here. You can create an account if you do not have one, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. I'm just going to continue with Google account. Now you can just close this window and get back to where you left off. You have to just come back over here, and then it's just going to load the Lightroom downloader installer for you. And you can just download the Adobe Lightroom into your PC. And now just click continue over here and it's just going to install it. And here you can see the installation process has begun. And that's the process that you can follow to download and install Lightroom on your PC. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.